In this video, we'll demonstrate how to use Street View on Google Maps. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn about using Street View on Google Maps, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get started. Open the Google Maps app on your phone. If you haven't downloaded it, you can find it in your App Store or Play Store. Once you've opened the app, navigate to the area you'd like to explore in Street View. For example, let's say we're exploring a location in a city. Zoom in on the specific street or area you want to view more closely. Tap once on the location where you want to access Street View. This will drop a pin on that spot. Look for the small square with an arrow icon in the top left corner of the location information. Tap on it to access Street View. Alternatively, you can scroll down and find the Street View option. Upon selecting Street View, you'll enter a 360-degree panoramic view of that street. Use the arrows on the screen to navigate and explore different directions along the street. You can also double tap on the screen to move forward. Once you're done exploring a particular street, tap the back button in the top left corner to exit Street View. Clear the location by clicking on the X in the top right corner. This will remove the pin. If you want to explore another area, simply drop a new pin on a different location and repeat the process. If you found this tutorial useful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more informative content. For additional tutorials and helpful guides, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.